Okay, Professor Fizzy. Today the lunch lab shuts down for good. I'm gonna clog your pipes and ruin your kitchen forever! Good luck cooking your food without any water, Fizzy! Oh, I'm so clever! Welcome to the lunch lab, everybody! Today we're making one of my favorites, bean and veggie chili. Now, we'll be boiling the beans ourselves, so the first thing we need is a big pot of water. Uh-oh.
That doesn't sound good.
Stand by, gang. We seem to be having some, technical difficulties. Ah! The pipes! Turn off the faucet! Well, it looks like we need to call a plumber.
On it.
Oh, the lunch lab is shut down for the day. Sorry, kids.
Oh, wait, what about this?
Hey, great idea. I was going to use this to make lemonade, but we can use it to boil the beans instead. Lunch labbers to your cooking stations. How's it going down there, Carla?
Gee, Professor, something sure is stuck in these pipes. We're talking majorly clogged. It's gonna be a while. That chili sure smells good.
Thanks. It's packed with fiber.
Fiber? What's that?
Well, you might say fiber keeps your body's pipes unclogged.
So, fiber is like the body's plumber?
Precisely.
That's cool. Everybody needs a good plumber.
Yup. And to make sure our plumbing stays healthy, we need to get 5 servings of fiber every day.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hold up a sec. 5 servings a day? That's a lot of beans.
Fiber isn't just in beans, it's in all sorts of fruits and vegetables. Avril and Henry, think you can show Carla 5 servings of fiber?
Cereal with bananas.
That's a good one.
What about an orange?
2 down.
An apple.
That's 3.
A salad with dinner?
There's 4, 1 to go.
What else? What else? Oh, and veggie bean chili.
You got it.
Yay, we did it! Wow, you kids really know your fiber. Hey, Professor, I found what was clogging up your pipes.
Ugh, that's gross.
Ugh. Too much greasy, fatty foods like that will clog up anyone's pipes. What? You're cooking? I thought your pipes were all clogged up. They were, Freddy. Interesting that you would know that. We called a plumber.
Hello.
How about some chili? The sink's right there if you want to wash your hands first.
And it's working just fine.
Very funny. Ha! Hardy, hardy, ha! Ha ha! Let's laugh. Ha ha ha!
Sully's Guide to the Human Body. Hey kids, Sully the Cell here, your guide to the human body. Buckle up, cause we're headed for, whoa! The small intestine! I'm gonna introduce you to a couple of fiber cowboys. Oh, here we are. Frankie? Fidgy? Hello?
Yeehaw!
Down there!
Woo! Get along, you little undigested varmints. Get along! Yaw!
Yeah.
Oh, hey there, Sully. How you doing, partner?
Howdy, Frankie. Fidgy. Sully. Listen, can you fiber cowboys explain what you do? The kids at home really want to know.
Sure. You see, we're the law in these here parts. Right, Fitchy?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
We like to keep things a-moving. Sully, do you know what we fiber cowboys hate more than anything?
What's that?
Digestion congestion. Fiber cowboys like us don't take kindly to lollygagging. If everything keeps moving along smoothly, there's less time for anything unhealthy to be absorbed into the body.
Sounds like an important job. How can kids get more fiber in their diet?
Well, let's see. There's fruits, nuts, vegetables.
Mm-hmm. Beans, too.
Well, that's right. Beans. Uh-oh, there's a lollygagger right now. Look at him taking his sweet old time. Sorry, Sully, we gotta cut this one short. You ready, Fitchy?
Mm-hmm. Ready.
Let's ride. See you, Sully. Yeehaw!
Hey, see you later. Go get 'em. Well, I'll see you next time, kids. Giddy up, you big yellow cab. Yeehaw!
Here's a tale of a tummy, a tale of how the intestines were won. It's a story of rogues and outlaws in a little town named Digestion. Then in comes riding Fiber, waving his sinewy arms. He's getting toxins out of the body, yeah, so they will not do no harm. Fruits and nuts and popcorn all got fiber in them. So when your digestive system's in trouble, just give Fiber a call, 'cause he's your friend. And in comes riding Fiber, saying hey-ya and hi-ho. And all you silly no good toxins, yeah, you gotta go, you gotta go. Get out of here, toxins. Keep them moving on out of the body. Now welcome around these parts.
For videos, games, recipes, and more, go to lunchlab.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to never miss a video.